Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be checking out the UBeauty products. So first and foremost, this box in and of itself is purely 100% recycled. Every single one of their packaging, including their box, every single thing is made out of recycled materials. And another thing is that their factories are use 100% green energy. This company takes a firm stance creating beauty products but also making it sustainable so that it doesn't affect future generations to come. Let's check out their first product. This is their Barrier Bioactive Treatment. Let's go ahead and check it out. And also another thing is every single purchase you make from UBeauty, they actually they've partnered with a charity, so they plant a tree every single time you buy a UBeauty product. So that's another reason to support this brand. Ooh, cute, luxurious. Oh wow, it's humongous. I love that. Usually when, luxury you associate with tiny things and super expensive, but this, you definitely get your money's worth. I mean, this is huge. I thought that maybe the packaging would be cover half of it, but it is exactly how big it is. All right, so that's the applicator. I like when they have the applicators like this because it kind of tells you how much you need instead of you kind of squishing it all out and then, using too much or too little, whatever it is. So basically one pump during the day and one pump at night. Or this is supposed to be, apply a generous layer as the last step in your skincare routine. Use overnight 2 to 3 times per week as needed. And so generally when you use it, people have said that wake up with super silky skin. So another thing, I'm looking at their ingredients list. And as you can see, obviously number 1 is gonna be water, but right after water, the first ingredient is urea, U-R-E-A. This is an ingredient that hydrates as well as exfoliates, basically helps you with elasticity, bounciness, makes your skin not dull, and so on and so forth. So the fact that it is number 2 right there, and then next is shea butter, and then goes on so on and so forth. That's good that the most active ingredient is a really active ingredient. So this is basically designed to soothe dull, dry, weathered looking complexions, and then restore it into a plumpy, elastic skin, which is, especially after this winter or during winter, this is just, perfect for that. Next, we have their Super Hydrator. I like that they just get right to the point. There's no point in saying that it's what something is not, meaning what does it do? It super hydrates you. And actually this product specifically, this Super Hydrator from UBeauty is the product that Paris Hilton uses every morning and every night. And she highly recommends this too. Once again, the same exact size as the box. I like that. Oh, and this one comes with the applicator as well. Yeah, so the applicator, nice and easy. Go ahead and you can just doll out exactly how much you need per day. This Super Hydrator, you can apply 1 to 2 pumps in the morning and night to clean, dry skin, and then just simply massage into your face and your neck. Let's go ahead and try this Super Hydrator. We're just going to pump a little bit, dollop on each side, rub it in. It's not a super strong smell at all. Actually, now the scent is disappearing. But it's just a very faint, light floral scent. Just disappears onto the skin. You can barely feel it. It's just super light, refreshing. So that's the Super Hydrator. Next, let's try this Barrier. Also comes out white as well. Also tiny, just the slightest floral scent, but barely. Let's go ahead and add that to the neck and rub that in, because you're not supposed to use this as frequently as the hydrator. And actually you're supposed to use it at night, so that's why I'm using it on my neck. But yeah, that's also just a really, luxurious, soft, silky feel to both of them. And just as I said, the slightest, faintest, aroma. Just really luxurious. Can't wait to start utilizing UBeauty in my regular routine. If you would like to purchase any UBeauty products, go ahead and check out the link below. As I said, this one Paris Hilton uses every single day and night, and then this one, has the active ingredients in order to, transform your skin into a nice, bouncier version. And if you like product unboxings, make sure to continue watching because I do a lot of those. I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.